Hey guys, just an update on some of the elements that have been refined from prototype state to this production state. We'll start simple. Just reversed the speaker pod, so now it's reversed. I felt like this would work better, and this is the prototype metal piece. So they'll be attached or adhered like that. Just worked out a lot better than having to machine a little ring and keeping it in like that. So that'll work really nice. The other thing, really good thing is had some trouble on the prototype with the recharge port, just going in and out with the plug. It just couldn't, the way that I had designed it previously, it just couldn't withstand it. So now, got a different port, and specially designed section for it to be held very nicely. Obviously, this piece has been split now, which also facilitates ease of install for the DIYers that are getting the kit. So really good, in my opinion, update there. And then a really cool thing, this is kind of crazy to try and get it in there. Going with, for you guys that got the reveal core, going with a thicker tube. So we got something much more substantial, and just, in my opinion, much more sturdy, and can withstand a little bit of play. Plus this stuff is like not going anywhere. You can see, or you can't, because there's a 12-inch tube here. The board's in there and everything, and nothing is going anywhere. So really nice and secure. Everything fits snug, and I may rearrange some of the cutouts that I did in the tube just to accommodate some things. We don't want the battery heat shrink ripping on any holes or anything during install. So, but in general, the design won't change. I did say I was going to try to get to these. I actually held off until I got the prints to see how everything was working before I wasted the material. But everything's working really nice. So these are just some of the updates and things that I did to improve the prototype. Also, smaller tact switches or spot for switches that are smaller. So yeah, it'll look a little bit nicer when it comes out. Obviously got two versions. This one's the compatible with NHS discs, so you could put a locking disc underneath this with the threaded rod, and should be good. But yeah, I just wanted to make sure you guys are getting the best I can give you. So a lot of thought and improvements to the original going on now.